All right, Adrian, what are you doing today?
Alright. Today, we're harvesting the potatoes right here.
You're harvesting potatoes.
Yeah.
Okay, where are they at?
They're all the way here to over there.
Okay, let's see it.
Alright. They're gonna be deep. We'll just take off the big layers.
How deep did you plant them?
Really deep.
Really deep?
I planted them like 2 feet or 1 foot.
Okay.
All I know is they're good. They're just good sucking. So. Now I think I see some. Alright, first I'm just gonna make a line. If you guys can see here, look, this is where the potato is.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, we got one.
Look at this one.
Nice.
A heart shape.
Nice. Just throw it right there to the side.
Oh, the baby.
Baby one, okay.
Oh.
We lost one.
Guys, see this? Always make sure you double look. Make sure you double check before you just toss this out. This, guys, you can use as compost.
Let me see it. Nice. Look, this is the potato.
Yep.
Nice.
Oh, the baby one.
Nice. Let's put them in the bucket. A potato that you sliced. Nice. We could probably replant that one.
Yeah, we're gonna
Throw it in there.
we're gonna replant that.
It's a big potato. Irrigation? You're growing irrigation too?
And guys, if you guys have backyard like this, you can also want to take those out right here before planting your potatoes, or else your potatoes are gonna end up dying or getting way too much water. Guys, see that pile of dirt? You're gonna want to double check that before you put it back in the ground. you see this, guys? You always want to check. Guys, even though if you don't see any potatoes, keep digging. And even though if there's no potatoes over here, you're always digging up the dirt.
Store right here.
See here, guys. Look, there's a little plant here. So we're gonna be careful with that. We're gonna carefully dig this guy up. Ooh, random plant. This we're gonna put to the side.
Is that a log?
Yeah, it's a log. I think it's a root.
What is that? Potato?
I don't know.
What's that? Onion?
Oh, it's an onion, guys.
Oh, I think that one was an onion. We could probably plant that together.
Yeah, we could talk.
That was an onion.
Yeah, actually. We're gonna dig a little down there. I don't think there's any over here, but let's go back to dig. Go back to dig over here.
And is this exactly where you planted them?
Yep.
Okay.
I planted them like right here. All this right here, guys, it's clay. So it holds a lot of water.
Go ahead, take out that weed right there.
Yeah, guys, if you don't have any grass, just pull it out. You can plant somewhere else. I think this is a rotten potato.
Oh, look, what's that? You just covered it up. Potato, huh?
Yep.
You chopped it up. Nice. That one we could replant.
Yeah.
Alright.
And we could eat it. Or, yeah. I'm just gonna put it in here for now. Guys, fair warning. Careful you don't get this in your food, or else you're gonna be eating plastic. A baby one.
It's right there. See it?
Yeah. We can eat this.
Another one.
What's roots? Ooh. Another one. Oh, it's strong down here.
Oh, look, follow the roots. Oh. Jackpot.
So, if that ever happens, guys, just start digging from back here.
I think that's part of the irrigation. Right. Right. We're gonna leave that in there.
I know.
Let's focus on the potatoes.
No, let's dig back.
This is like a heart shaped.
Ooh.
You give this one to Mom. Alright, I think you need to go deeper.
And also, guys, if you guys wanna plant stuff, but you can't remember, just want to place something here or anywhere.
Right? I think that's probably it.
Yeah,
You might just want to check your dirt right here.
yeah. I think that's it, guys.
You just want to go through the dirt. Oh, I found one.
See, guys, it's always good to double check.
Yeah, follow the roots.
This we can use for compost or replant it.
Alright guys, we're going to pause the video and then we'll show you all the potatoes we find.
Yep.
We'll be right back.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we didn't find any more potatoes right now, but we found 2 giant worms.
Sweet. This, you just throw it wherever you want it. Like in here.
Nice. And are the worms good for the soil?
Yes.
Yeah. Alright. Let's keep digging. We'll be right back.
Be right back. Alright guys. This is as much as we can find. Like these guys, if you accidentally slice them, you guys can still reuse them. Just don't you have to clean them, and then yeah, you couldn't make them into French fries. And look, guys, this is everything that we did today. But guys, if we find any more, we'll keep you updated.
All right, you want to pour them out?
Yeah.
Nice. Look, 2 little baby ones.
Yeah.
And these right here, you could just replant them in the ground,
And there we go.
and they'll give you a plant, and they'll give you potatoes. If something is smushy, we could always put it in the compost pile, and just compost it, throw it in the ground, and you get some healthy soil, right?
Yeah.
Anything else?
No.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, guys.
Bye. See you next video.